To create a path in Solidworks, you have to create a sketch which forms a foundation for the 3D path. In this lesson, I will show you how to create a sketch in Solidworks. So now I'll go to my file, click on New, select a path template and click OK. Now this is my Solidworks path environment. As you can see from my status bar, it is showing editing path. This means that I'm in editing path mode. Now to create a sketch in Solidworks, go to your command manager and click on the sketch tab. Select the sketch icon. Select the plane on which you want to create the sketch. For this, I'll select the front plane, and the front plane will be oriented to normal. Now, if you go to the top right corner of our graphics window, you notice that we have two new icons here. These icons shows that we are in the sketch mode. And when you come over to your status bar here, it is showing editing sketch mode. Before, it was editing path mode. This shows that we are in the editing sketch mode and we are ready to make a sketch. Now, if I draw a simple line and finish this line, I can click on this icon to finish the sketch. Notice that a sketch entity has been added to our Feature Manager tree. To delete this sketch, right click and click on delete. Another way you can create sketch in Solidworks without going to the command manager is to go to the Feature Manager tree, right click on the plane you want to make that sketch, and from the context sensitive toolbar, you select the sketch icon. Notice that the sketch icon here is similar to the sketch icon on your command manager. If I go ahead and click on the sketch icon, now I can make a sketch on the front plane. If I create some lines, and finish this line. Assuming I don't want this line anymore and I don't want it saved, instead of clicking on Finish Sketch, I can discard it by clicking this X icon over here. I'll be prompted to discard sketch and exit or cancel. So I'll click Discard Changes and exit. And notice that at the Feature Manager, no sketch entity has been added. Now I want to create a few sketch, but this time around I'll do it on my top plane. This is now oriented to normal. I'll pick my line tool, make a few sketch. I'll finish the sketch tool, and now if I want to finish this sketch, I can either finish the sketch from this icon or click on this icon from my command manager to finish the sketch. Now notice that we are no longer in the sketch mode. As you can see from the status bar, it is showing editing path mode. Now if I want to edit this sketch again, I can do that from my Feature Manager tree by clicking on this sketch, and from the context sensitive toolbar here, I'll click on Edit Sketch. Note, if you want to edit sketch, you have to do it from here and not from the command manager. Now, to edit this sketch, I'll click on this sketch and click on Edit Sketch. As you can see, my status bar is showing editing sketch mode. Now, if I'm in the editing sketch mode and maybe my sketch is no longer oriented normal to the plane I'm working on and I want to make it normal, you can make it normal by going to your heads up toolbar at the view orientation icon, click on the drop down menu and select normal to. You can also do this by clicking the space bar from your keyboard and selecting the normal to, or you can press Ctrl 8. Now I'm going to add a few sketch. I'll select the circle tool and draw a sketch. select the line tool and make a couple of lines and finish my sketch too. Now, if I change my mind and I don't want to save this sketch, instead of clicking on the finish sketch icon, I can discard the new sketch by clicking on the X icon over here. And this will prompt me to discard the changes and exit.